Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony with J.R.DUNN Jewelers here in Lighthouse Point, Florida, with a really neat, innovative launch that we're taking on today with Breitling, one of our favorite brands. And this is going to be the first showing of the new Breitling Endurance Pro that we are super excited about. Breitling has put a lot of time and innovation into this particular new launch. And the cool thing about this particular watch has a movement 10 times more accurate than a conventional quartz. It's called the thermo-compensated SuperQuartz. It's a super lightweight watch. Athletes of all different spectrums will love wearing something like this, and the novice athlete can really enjoy this watch as well. And like most of the super lightweight versions that are out in the market today, the Breitling Endurance Pro is extremely comfortable to wear, almost like having nothing on your wrist, thanks to the Breitlight case. The inner bezel is marked with a pulsometer scale, so you can easily track your heart rate during sports sessions. And of course, the warranty on this particular watch is a full 2-year warranty through Breitling, and is COSC certified. You'll have a customary beautiful box as presentation and for travel. Your international warranty card will also be activated at time of purchase, with all of the chronometer information. This watch is, by the way, listed in Breitling's Professional Series. And to close out, guys, just a example of one of the other versions, which there are 5. We'll have the complete line at J.R.DUNN in Lighthouse Point, and you can also visit us online at jrdunn.com.